Well, what I'm going to do now, on this nice warm afternoon day, is take the headlight out. As you can see, it's kind of foggy and everything, and I'm going to actually take my headlights to work and try a new product on it that I'll bring to you very soon. It's sadly an Armor All product for rejuvenating the headlights, and I'm kind of hoping it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I'm going to show you how to take the headlight out. And it's pretty simple with the front grille off. All the grille off, the front bumper, everything off. I showed a video of that, how to take that off. It wasn't that hard. So I'm going to show now how to take the headlight out. And it's really simple, like simple as can be. You can use, takes 10 mil. 10 mil only. And it's got studs here, so pretty simple. You just take the nuts off, put that right here, and so it's pretty simple stuff. And yeah, that's just the nut. So, there's this one right here. It's not going to be a very long video, but I decided I'd bring it to you anyways, just because, well, I'm doing it. Might as well show other people how to do it. Back to some of my shorter videos I used to make short videos. Haven't been doing that as much now. And there's a third one down here. So, and they're just 10 mil. Pretty simple to get out. So, after I do take them off, I'll put them back on the studs, the nuts. Because, don't want to lose them, right? Don't want to lose them. You have to go to the hardware store to get more. Don't want to do that. Alright. I know I'm going to have to take the wire off. So, here it is. And here's the wire. And it's got one of those, if you can see, security locks on it. So, pull that up, push tab down, pull it off, and that's how you take a headlight out. They're pretty simple, nice and light, but these are very nice headlights. I like these kind on Jeep. Jeep have very nice round headlights. They give a lot of light. It's really is a great light, but yeah, that's how you do that. Nice and simple, and well, thanks for watching.